This video walks you through how to turn on inventory in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Begin in your QuickBooks Online company file and look to the upper right corner of the screen. Click the settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the menu where account level preferences and feature controls are stored. From that menu, select Account and Settings. A settings window will open with several tabs along the side or across the top, depending on your layout. These tabs organize the main options for your company file. Choose the Sales tab. This section contains preferences related to products, services, and the way sales information is managed in QuickBooks Online. Once you are in Sales, scroll if needed until you see the Products and Services section. In that section, click the Edit icon shown as a pencil. This opens the controls for product and service tracking. You will now see the settings that determine whether quantity, price, and inventory details are available when you create and manage items. Turn on the Track Quantity and Price or Rate option. This allows QuickBooks Online to include quantity fields and item pricing details when you work with products and services. If the option is already on, leave it as it is and move to the next setting. Next, turn on the Track Inventory Quantity on Hand option. This is the setting that enables inventory tracking in your company file. Once it is active, QuickBooks can keep track of how many units you have available as you create and update inventory items. Make sure both settings remain enabled before you continue, since inventory tracking depends on the product and service tracking options in this same section. After both options are turned on, click Save to apply the changes. Give QuickBooks a moment if the page pauses briefly while the update is processed. Saving here is what commits the new inventory settings to your account. When the save is complete, click Done to close the settings panel and return to your main workspace. At this point, inventory tracking is enabled. You can now go to Sales, then Products and Services, and begin creating inventory items that use quantity on hand tracking inside QuickBooks Online. If you do not immediately see inventory-related fields elsewhere in the account, return to the Products and Services area and confirm that both sales settings were saved in the On position. In most cases, once Save and Done have been selected, the feature is ready to use without any additional setup in this section. Inventory tracking is now enabled in Intuit QuickBooks Online, and you can create inventory items from sales and products and services.